check out what they got over here. My wife is hungry. Oh, my wife wants barbecue. Yeah, that's what she wants. Maybe. Another multi-cab over here. What happened, babe? Oh, careful. Oh, they're gonna buy bread, I guess. Where are you going, babe? You gonna buy bread? I know, but... Oh, you gonna buy some lechon, manok, or what? Let's check out the lechon manok. Oh, this one doesn't say the name. Lechon manok, that's what you call the chicken they spin like that. What are you gonna buy? Chicken? This one?
Give me
Look at this. Wow. This is Julie's. Julie's bread. Let's check it out. How much? How much? Oh, no more. Where did I put the change?
Kanina lang puti, balik 50.
Ganyan lang puti. Wala ko.
I'm gonna buy 50 worth of bread.
Tag-5, lang sila.
Ha?
Ay, tag-5.
50 po daw kanina.
Ay, na lang po tayo. Ilikad niya.
We have one of these also over there. Oh, look, there's more people over there walking. This is actually a good location for the barbecue and all the street vendors because, man, it looks like it gets pretty packed. Where are we going to eat the food, babe? Where? Oh. You want a drink or what? You're gonna eat all that bread?
Ilan ganyan siya, te? Tag-5? Ano? 6.
Yeah, that's a lot of bread.
Kana
Oh, wow, it's a hard.
kanino lang bigay, di na bukan ng tablis, balik 50.